Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shan. I'm the owner, creator, and designer of TheHoneyBShop, and today we are talking all things Notion. Now, to quickly sum up what Notion is, it is an online database. You can download the app onto your computer as well. You can have it on your phone and you're able to create pages, tables, graphs, there's calendars. But I am personally a visual learner, so I would love to take you on a little peek inside what my Notion looks like. I'm pretty proud of it this year, and I am planning on using it because of how I set it up. So let's go ahead and open up my screen. This is what my Notion looks like when you first open it up. This is my Dreams and Schemes Notion board. So I have my dashboard, which includes my business, social, notes, finance, running to do, and personal. I have a little image here, be proud of yourself for how hard you're trying, my goal setting. I used some widgets. I'm gonna link down below the widgets and icons website that I used to be able to customize this a little further. I really like the whole percentage, like showing the percentage of the year, because it just makes me feel, I don't know, like I'm really needing to get stuff done, especially with us being 29% into January. It just gives me a visualization of where we're at in the year, month, and quarter. And then if you scroll down, I have the weather. I don't personally use the calendar. In Notion, I'm more of a Google Calendar type of person. So if I'm being honest, there's a few things there, but I don't really use the calendar that much. I'm sure you can utilize it to its fullest potential. Me, however, I just haven't figured it out. So I also have the weather here. This is my 2025 vision board, which you will see a lot kind of throughout my Notion because I just want it to be there so that I can see it. And this table here is my current project. So this is like my home board where I can go in and click everything. I do have my favorites up here, which are Dreams and Schemes, current project, and notebook. And again, the Dreams and Schemes is like my home base for my Notion. So we're gonna kind of go down and go in order. Going into my business, I'm not gonna go into the too nitty-gritty of each page because some pages aren't decked out like this. Some of them just need notes and that's it. So I have my logo here. I do have this brand hub here that I plan on editing and adding all of my hex codes for my color schemes, my logo stuff, any kind of stuff that just like screams TheHoneyBShop needs to go in that brand hub. I have my analytics, I have resources, notebook, my 2025 subscription. I'm trying not to show too many things that are kind of secret here, but you get the point. So then I have my products and launches, my wholesalers, and this is my link in bio, which will bring up my link in bio so I can quickly have access to those links. Again, my current projects, my vision board, and then I have a CEO schedule. So I try to organize my week in the same format each week so that I know that I'm getting the most of what I need to get done. So just a little inspiration here. Now my notebook has just really simple pages. If you open up these, it has super simple notes. Didn't feel the need to get fancy with any of that. And again, a lot of my stuff isn't necessarily done until I need to get to it and start planning it. So that is my business tab. You go into my social. Now I'm trying to get better at using Notion for social planning, like my social media strategies or whatever you want to call it. I'm not the best content creator there is, so I'm trying though. I am trying. This is just for everything social media related. So I have all my social links here so that I can quickly access them, my campaigns, and then I have a brain dump, which is going to go into my post to schedule. Here is some things coming up. I do have a content calendar, which I haven't used, notes, resources, and captions. I've been using this captions page to use the Notion AI to try to come up with some captions for my content. I know that we're in the AI world right now, so I feel like implementing it in your brand and your business, it can do good. Of course, I have some feelings. I do, however, like using it when it comes to a lot of copy because I'm not the best at coming up with what to write or any ideas. I try to mix and match and, you know, put my own words into it, but it does help me kind of get there. So This is my social tab. Next is my notes. Jot it down. I have no notes right now. I do have my business notebook that I go to a lot frequently, but this is going to be more personal notes or things I need to write down. I'm not going to go into my finance tab because that's personal, but I do have the table there that shows what bills are due. I have both my bills and my credit cards and subscriptions set up, so I can always look at that. My running to do has nothing right now. But again, this is how I'm just trying to implement it. I'm just trying to give you some ideas on what you could build into your Notion. My personal, again, has not been finished. That I have the ideas for is the recipes, meal plans, highlights, weight loss, and personal projects. I will create boards and pages whenever those kind of pop up. I'm trying to get on a healthier lifestyle this year, so I need to do recipes and meal plans. And again, the weight loss will probably be a table. Now, for me personally, being riddled with ADHD, I find that adding too much to Notion makes me not want to use it. So again, you'll see a lot of my stuff is pretty simple and pretty easy to access, as I have it in my dashboard or I have it in other pages, but I try not to go too deep into the pages because then I'll just forget it's there and never go back to it. So this is kind of like a simple startup. You know, I'm not a pro. I wouldn't call myself a beginner either, but we're just gonna call myself a beginner. So let's call this a beginner's friendly, simple Notion tours. Anywho, in my goal setting area, I have my 2025 goals, and then I broke it down into quarterly goals. I have what I want to get done for the Honeybee Shop and personal, and then tasks and actions, and then I will go back and do a review. We're not going to dive into my 2025 goals page because I do want to keep those goals close to heart, and I don't feel like publicly announcing them just yet. There's some things that I am trying for this year that are a little different, so gonna have to be a little secretive about that. But the goal setting stuff is really easy. None of the boards are anything crazy. I do have my mood board or my vision board inside of there. Again, this is a really simple Notion setup, but I know I had a lot of people who wanted a tour, and that's that. I have a very simple and I believe easy Notion setup. I do want to dive more into it and get a little bit more educated, but as of right now, this is what's working for me. I also use TickTick, which is an app to allow myself to do more to-do list type things. It's more of a reminders app, so I use that in like cohesiveness with Notion. Again, just a beginner here, but a lot of you did ask to see it, so I wanted to share with you what it looked like. I'm really proud of it, and the aesthetic of it and just the colors have brought me a lot of joy. I love being organized. And it's just been perfect for me. So I do want to try out Milanote next. I've seen Catnip illustrations showcase hers for more mood board planning, which is like so up my alley because I use Pinterest so much, and it's kind of like a DIY Pinterest. In a sense, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm always looking for feedback on what content you do want to see. If you ever want to reach out to me via DM or the comments below, I love to hear your feedback. I love to hear your suggestions, and I will try my hardest to be a really cool content creator this year. And I have just been enjoying getting back into YouTube. Y'all blew my last video away. I was not expecting that many people to watch it and like it. If you do want to watch it, it's my 2025 planner flip through lineup stack video. So definitely check that one out too. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.